Hello everyone, my name is Nithin. This presentation is about the individual intervention proposed for the documented area of Bayapanalli. So the task was to document a particular part of Bayapanalli which was given to us and to find the flaws and negative spaces in and around the site and to suggest, propose an intervention to make that space lively, active and useful for the neighborhood. So me and my group was given a site which was near Sadananda Park. This is the Sadananda Park and this is the complete site which was given to us. So we found few flaws and negative spaces in the site. So what we thought was to make use of those spaces into a recreational space so that it could become an active and useful space for the neighborhood. So among which I chose the industrial area. This marked portion is the industrial area. So why to particularly choose this industrial area is that this industrial area has been abandoned for many years, and due to this, many illegal activities are taking place in and around the site, which is not safe for the people to move around. So these images which you can see here are the images of the industrial area which is not being used for many years. So as a solution to this, what I thought was to choose a part of the industrial area, in fact choose a building and to redevelop, reuse that building into a recreational space so that it could become an active and a useful space for the neighborhood. So adaptive reuse of the industrial building into a recreational space was the main aim, and it spaces functions such as a multifunctional hall, a food court, and a gym. So why to choose these particular functions is that when surveyed, people were like, they don't have a particular place to conduct any program or any function. They don't have a particular or a proper restaurant nearby, and also few of them were like they don't have a particular place to maintain the fitness or to work out. So considering all these facts, these functions have been chosen. As I mentioned earlier, a particular block has been chosen in the industrial area. This rectangular block is the block chosen. So why to choose this particular block is that it is closer to the streets, it is relevant, convenient and useful for the neighborhood people to access. So moving on to the proposal brief of the intervention, the main aim was to adaptive reuse of the industrial building into a neighborhood recreational space, which would help the place to become an active and a safe place for the people to move around. Considering the issues and the problems in and around the site, and also taking into the account the needs and the requirements needed by the people, this proposal has been made. This proposal mainly is a recreational space which, when taken into action, can work for the betterment of the area as well as fulfilling all the requirements of the people. As I mentioned earlier, 3 functions have been provided based on the survey done. Those are the fitness center, a multifunctional hall, and a food court. So this is the existing master plan, which you can see. So moving on to the proposed master plan, this is the proposed master plan, and this yellow line indicates the main axis towards the proposed intervention. Towards the right, you can see the zoom plan of the master plan, where here 3 entries have been provided. This entry acts as a main pedestrian entry. Adjacent to it, an access has been provided which leads to the parking provided next to the proposed intervention, and also a service entry has been provided. Since there is a food court, a service entry is needed, so this access acts as a service entry. This pedestrian entry directly leads to the building, and the left out space have been provided with greenery, as you can see, and also have been retained by few of the existing trees. The total building coverage will be about 1,500 square meters, and also the parking provided spaces an area of about 2,130 square meters. So moving on to the plans of the proposed functions, the existing wall system have not been followed except at few lines. The walls have been pushed in and out, projected to give the existing building a new form. So this particular plan which you can see is the ground floor plan, which spaces function for a fitness center with additional functions provided such as an office space, a separate washroom for men and women. So this office space and a washroom have been followed in the next 2 floors as well. So it can occupy a maximum number of people of about 60 to 70 people at a time. The Moving on to the first floor, which spaces function for a multi-function hall and also other functions such as office space, a washroom, stage, and a separate room for changing. It can occupy a maximum of about 150 people at a time. Moving on to the final plan, which spaces function as a food court and also a kitchen, a service entry, a storage, separate washroom for men and women, an office, and also an outdoor seating space have been provided. It can occupy a maximum of about 150 to 160 people at a time. So these numbers are got by the standards as well as from the biofriendly bylaws. So this is about the plants. Moving on to the sections, two sections have been cut. Section BB is horizontally cut through the plan. Section AA is cut vertically through the plan. As I had mentioned earlier, it's a G+2 structure with the context shown. The ground floor spaces function for a fitness center. The first floor spaces function for a multifunction hall, and the second floor acts as a space for a food court. Moving on to the elevations, these two are the elevations of the proposed structure. And at the bottom, you can see the views of the proposed structure taken at different angles. The material used is grey ash block as well as red bricks. Few pergolas have been provided, and also, as I mentioned earlier, few of the existing trees have been retained as well. So this is about the individual intervention proposed. So when this is taken into action, the industrial area can become an active, useful space for the neighborhood people to access and also a safe place for the people to move around. And yeah, thank you.